It's finally time. Chainsaw Man, the anime. We're finally here. I just recently read Chainsaw Man, and I recently actually caught up. So, as you know, I am a manga reader, but that does not take away the fact that all the shit that's gonna happen here, while I may know what kind of happens, I mean, I only read it once. There's going to be some shit I forget anyway. I'm still gonna probably freak out because of the animation, and it's gonna be great. And also, this is gonna be a good refresher into just the shit that happens, because I only read the manga once, so it's not like I can remember everything that happens. But whatever. You know what we're here for. So let's go in. Boom! I can't wait, man. This is great. Okay, so we are walking in a hallway, bro. Where's the door? I'm looking for the door, bro. Oh, the door! Shit, dude. Wait, was this how the... I don't remember. Is this how the manga started? I don't even remember. No. No. Bro, this is so good already. Pochita! Sounds so cute. Dude, it looks so good. Not even 100K, bro. Little Pochita too. Yeah, that's quite... Oh. He's so fucking cute. God. Yeah, get him. Kill him dead. Oh god, that's so weird. Oh my god, the music. Oh shit. Oh. Animation, this is awesome. Oh, Himeno, bro. They're watching a movie. Oh, they're bowling, bro! Let's go! Pow! Whoa. I saw it. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, wait. I saw the... Was that the gun devil? Denji's in heaven. But is he though? Is he? Oh my good fucking lord. Oh my god. And this is the singer that did season 2 of Hero Academia. Like, I recognize that voice for sure. Holy shit. This is so good. Fucking power, man. The bowling ball. Was that the future devil? He's just fucking... My god, what an opening. That was really cool. Oh, dude. The fact that this anime is uncensored, apparently. 400,000. Oh my god. Just say the price from the beginning, bro. Oh, man. Funny how that works, doesn't it? Dude, just a slice of bread. Like, I get it, man. Maybe he'll do anything just to survive, man. That's how he's always been. Oh, no. Meanwhile, Denji's like, hey, I got that fucking money, bro. Fucking Pochita, dude. He's so cute. God, this little tiny fucking place. Now you'll get the ladies, man. You gotta. I just want to score. She's gonna want to score, man. That's all he wants. Damn, bro. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. It's pretty intense for a child, though. Oh. God. Oh. Oh. Dude, now that I know what happened, bro. This just makes me just want to cry. Oh. Just wanted a hug, bro. Just wanted a hug. Just do it. Do it. Heal. Fuck. This music is so good. Oh, sick. He's like, holy shit, you found something to actually to actually do. Just a hug. Just wants a hug. You know, I told myself I'd get a Pochita plush. I think I need to do that. Play video games, fall asleep while hugging each other. Man, ain't that the mood. Sounds sweet. Get it done. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh fuck. I don't remember that detail reading the manga. That sucks. I know a part of me would want to watch this anime without reading the manga, but I had to read the manga, man. I had to. It's a fucking masterpiece, bro. It's a masterpiece. The way, like, the paneling, just everything about it, man. And you know, watching this with the knowledge of the manga, that's probably a good thing, actually, because it'll refresh me. So, like, it'll give me a good refresher. And also, it's so good, this animation. Uh-oh. Mr. Yakuza Man stopped in his tracks. You motherfucker, dude. You motherfucker, dude. Oh. Oh. Pochita. Bro. And it didn't matter. Because it's a fucking zombie devil, bro. Oh my god. I freaked the fuck out when I saw this for the first time, bro. So fuck. Yeah, that's how it be. Bro. Shit, the music, the ambience is so good. Man, this is such a good adaptation, dude. Dude, he's coming. Oh, fuck. Ah. Oh. Ooh. Oh, the screaming. Oh, there it is, the dumpster, bro. Dude, Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, Pochita, dude. You know it must be done, bro. You know, that's a funny little, that's an image right there. Just using Pochita to chop down a tree. Man, dude. Dude, yes. Oh, fuck. Bro. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa, that was so weird. But I get it, you know. I've always I don't know why I imagined a deep voice in the manga, but this works. I'll give you my heart. Show me your dreams. Dude. And just like that, Pochita is in here, man. Right here. Yeah, they had. You're not the same, man. Oh, shit. Oh! You can hear it. Oh, what the hell? Oh, shit. Dude, these fucking riffs, man. Get the fuck out of here. Dude, oh my god. Oh, that's not gonna do shit, bro. Rip them all apart, bro. Dude, it's doing everything. Oh my god. It's so good. In the head. down the middle. Dude, the sounds. All the zombies are like, what do we do? Oh, yeah. You better kill them all, man. True. Fucking hell, man. Oh my god. Here we go. There she is. Mommy? Probably? Yeah. My god. Seeing this completely changes my perspective. Like the first encounter. You've got a strange smell. Oh man, dude. Dude, her voice actress is so good. You are mine now. Food. A place to live. Good. Take it. Bread with jam. That's all you needed to tell him, man. Oh my god. Shit. Oh shit. I like this. Ooh, the chainsaw sound, bro. Ooh. Oh, the chainsaw sound again. Ooh. Oh yeah. That was a really good episode. I like that a lot. It really did just feel like a movie. That's probably what Fujimoto wanted, you know? Anyway, yeah, fucking great. Amazing. Animation, like, the whole, like, the soundtrack, like, it was all just so good. I can't wait to see how they continue to adapt it. Like, I want to see power, you know? Like, that's what I want. Like, the pacing, especially. Like, I'm sure, like, the pacing, like, Fujimoto wanted that to be very important, probably, because that's exactly how I imagined the pacing was when I read the chapter. Like, it's just, like, that kind of feeling. But anyway, that'll be it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be next week, of course, along with the new chapter of Chainsaw Man 2. So, have a good one. See you then.